And now for our top focus this hour. After suspending their march to the capital on Friday, farmers under the banner of the Samyukta Kisan Morcha and the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha will resume their march towards Delhi any moment now. A delegation of 101 farmers is slated to commence their protest march from the Delhi-Haryana Shambhu border towards the capital shortly. In response to the protest, internet services in Ambala are suspended until tomorrow. Heavy barricading has been set up, and the Ambala administration has prohibited gatherings of more than 5 people. Security measures have also been tightened at the Delhi-Haryana Shambhu border. The farmers are marching to reiterate their demands from the centre, where they seek a legal guarantee for MSP, which is minimum support price for crops. They have not yet received any message from the government regarding talks at this point. Earlier, farmers heading to Delhi had halted their march on Friday after several of them were injured when security forces used tear gas to block them at the Punjab-Haryana border. Now, when we talk about the farmers' protests, the key demand is that they want a minimum support price, something that they have been demanding for months now, and we've seen multiple protests being conducted by the farmers. But in the last week rather, there was a massive protest. They had essentially sought to march to the capital on the 6th of December. That had been delayed to today. Let's cross over to my colleague Tejashree.
Now the farmers have begun their march from this particular area. Farmers have started moving, and they will be slowly moving towards the particular area where there was a confrontation between the police force and the farmers. And now we'll have to see that what happens next, because farmers are all geared up. You see, last time there were multiple rounds of tear gas shells that were fired by the paramilitary forces from there, and now this time you see farmers are completely prepared, and these are the 101 group of farmers who are moving towards the area where the barricading has been done. However, today, since multiple layer of barricading that time a day before yesterday was broken, so today farmers will be directly approaching to that particular place where the forces are deployed. So today we'll have to see that how does this escalation takes place, and in fact farmers have just announced that they will not stop their protest. And in fact, while speaking to the farmer leader Pandey, he also in fact said that the talks with the government are not happening as of now, because there has been just the statements that are coming from the governments, and there is no implementation. They want implementation to be done, and they are however open for the talks, but there is no call from the Agriculture Ministry as of now. But on your television screens, you are watching the visuals of the farmers who are walking towards this particular area where the barricading has been done. Continuously the announcement is being made by the police force to stop over here and to not cross this particular area. However, we'll have to see that today where the farmers will be stopped, and continuously we are also in fact moving along them. This is the second group of farmers. A day before yesterday we saw the kind of confrontation took place, and in fact multiple rounds of tear gas shells were fired. And in fact what we are also getting to know is that the internet has also been suspended in the Ambala district, and there was also an order issued from the Haryana administration that the farmers, particularly the media person, should not be allowed to come within the radius of 1 kilometer. And now you see the farmers along with the farmer leaders have started moving towards this particular area. We would also like to show the visuals that side, that how the paramilitary forces are deployed over there. You can see on your television screens right now that not just this, but apart from the walls that are being constructed, an iron net has also been constructed over there. And within few seconds from now, the farmer leaders, the farmer union, the farmers will be moving towards this particular area. And now we'll have to see that what happens next. However, farmers have also mentioned.
That was an update from the ground from my colleague Tejashree. Let's get you the key takeaways. The farmers essentially have already begun their protest. It was slated to begin at 12 noon. It's begun right on time. Crossing over to my colleague Manoj now.
किसान आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, हाथों में झंडे हैं और लगातार नारेबाजी हो रही है। किसानों ने कहा था कि सरकार या तो उनसे बातचीत करे, या तो सरकार बातचीत करे या फिर हमें दिल्ली जाने दे। और अब देखिए किस तरीके से जो किसान हैं वो आगे बढ़े हैं। आगे शंभू बॉर्डर है, पुलिस ने पहले ही तैयारी कर रखी है, पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स के जवान तैनात हैं। आप देखिए पोजीशन लेते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। अर्धसैनिक बल इस वक्त जो टीन शेड बनाया गया है उसके ऊपर अर्धसैनिक बल खड़े हुए हैं। नीचे लोहे की जाली है, उसके पीछे भी जो पुलिसकर्मी है वो खड़े हुए हैं। और किसान इस वक्त बढ़ते हुए दिल्ली की तरफ शंभू बॉर्डर पर जो बैरिकेडिंग है, मुख्य बैरिकेडिंग है, उसकी तरफ बढ़ते हुए किसान दूसरी बार लगातार 101 किसानों का जत्था दिल्ली के लिए रवाना हो गया है। तो बड़ी खबर इस वक्त शंभू बॉर्डर से एक बार फिर से वैसी ही तस्वीरें हमें देखने को मिल सकती हैं जो हमने 6 दिसंबर को देखी, जो हमने पिछले साल फरवरी में देखी थी। वैसी ही तस्वीरें यहां पर नजर आ सकती हैं। और आप देखिए किस तरीके से जो टीन शेड है एक तरीके से जो अस्थायी पुलिस चौकी के तौर पर यह बैरिकेड बन गया है। पिछले साल से ही उसके ऊपर भी पुलिसकर्मी पोजीशन ले रहे हैं, अर्धसैनिक बल खड़े हुए हैं। और नीचे फिर से एक बार किसान वहां पहुंच गए हैं जहां शुक्रवार को पहुंचे थे, यानी कि बिल्कुल मेन बैरिकेडिंग तक किसान पहुंच गए हैं। एक बार फिर से 101 किसानों का ये दूसरा जत्था है। और पिछली बार जब किसान गए थे तो 16 किसान घायल हुए थे। किसान लगातार आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। 16 किसान पिछली बार घायल हुए थे और एक बार फिर से 101 किसानों का जो जत्था है वो आगे बढ़ गया है। कल ही हरियाणा के डीजीपी ने बकायदा पत्र लिखकर मीडिया का
All right, crossing back over to my colleague Tejashree now to bring us more reports.
In fact, now we'll try to get a sense as to what's happening between the police and the farmers. Remember that they still have not got the permission to reach towards that particular to march towards the national capital, and that is why perhaps the farmers here are in confrontation. So you see, the police over here is asking the farmers to show the permission if they have got the permission. As of now, the police is continuously saying that you have not got the permission to move towards the national capital. That is why you cannot walk forward. We'll again cut across to the visuals and show that what is happening over here. You see, the farmer leaders are again in a confrontation mode with the police, and in fact, police is continuously repeating the fact that they have not got permission and they should not, and they will not be in fact allowed to move towards the national capital. After this is the Haryana border, and in fact police is over here, and in fact also if the farmers remain to be in this particular area, again the tear gas shells
दिया जाएगा। आप कृपया करके पीछे होके बैठ जाइए, आप शांति से बैठ जाइए। आप परमिशन नहीं आएगी तो दिल्ली नहीं जा सकते, कोई भी संभव नहीं है। नहीं जा सकते, कोई परमिशन नहीं है इनके पास आगे आने की, ना ही अपनी आइडेंटिफिकेशन करा रहे हैं आप। धारा 163 बीएनएस लगी हुई है, तो देखो किसी की परमिशन नहीं आएगी तो नहीं जान देगा तो कोई।
Well, you can see what the current update is with what's taking place at the Shambhu border is that the police have outrightly said that there's no permission that's been given to the farmers to conduct their protest and their march at the capital. They cannot march to the capital considering that they do not have permission. In that interaction that you just saw, which was brought to us by my colleague Tejashree, who's there at Shambhu border, bringing us the latest, the police are stopping them, telling them that they do not have permission to go forward. And on that front, there is barricading, including an iron gate, which will be stopping the farmers from moving past a certain point.
This is exactly the same scene that we saw day before yesterday as well, after which you have seen, how the confrontation escalated, how various things also escalated. Even tear shell guns were also fired. And to seeing this also now, we have
अनुमति नहीं देती है। और इस वक्त बातचीत चल रही है, अनाउंसमेंट किया जा रहा है, उसको सुनने की कोशिश करते हैं।
border protest site, announcements are currently being made. Let's listen in. Massive chaos at the border. Again, comparisons are being made to what we saw 2 days ago on Friday when tear gas shells were essentially lodged at the protesting farmers. You had over 10 farmers being injured in connection with those clashes that had taken place between security forces and the farmers when they were protesting. That is why they delayed their protest to today. But they don't have permission for the protest. They will not be able to march to the capital since they do not have the permission that is required. That is what the police are constantly reiterating in their interactions with the farmers on the ground there. Now, beyond this, when we talk about the security personnel and the deployment, you have paramilitary forces who have been deployed. You have multiple police personnel as well. They are there guarding the border to ensure that those who don't have permission to march to the capital are not going to be allowed to go through. And on that note, you also have an iron gate and barricades which are there because just a few days ago we saw multiple layers of barricades getting broken by the farmers, which is why they have increased security at the border front there. Now you can see that the farmers are there. They're listening to the announcements that are being made by the personnel at Shambhu border.
Move a bit forward so as to get a sense that what farmers are saying right now, because we heard what the cops are saying. Cops are continuously saying that they do not have permission right now, and the cop and the farmers are आपको permission नहीं मिल रही।
साढ़े देखो जो मोर्चे की अगुवाई कर रहे हैं बलदेव जीरा जी, पूरे मोर्चे की पूरे
निकालने की परमिशन इन्होंने कहां से ली है? इन्होंने कहां से ली है परमिशन?
All right, so again here the farmers are saying
All right, we'll try to reestablish that connection and bring you more of an update from the ground, but we'll take you through what's taking place here. The farmers, about 101 farmers from different outfits, they are attempting to march to the capital, but they do not have permission to do so. And this is what the police are constantly reiterating, that because they don't have the permission, they will not be able to go past the border itself. This on your screens right now, these are visuals coming in from the Shambhu border. Importantly as well, the farmers are open to talks, but they also say that there's been no outreach by the government at this point. But they're also saying, speak to us or let us go to Delhi. Crossing over to my colleague Tejashree.
That with whose permission these particular walls and this particular construction have farmers कह रहे हैं कि उन्हें अभी आगे बढ़ने नहीं दिया जा रहा।
तो परमिशन नहीं है ना आइडेंटिफाइड बंदे हैं, पता नहीं कौन है, बिना परमिशन के कैसे जाएंगे? बिना परमिशन के आगे इजाजत नहीं है।
आप उनसे परमिशन लेटर मांगे।
हिंदुस्तान के लोग भी हैं, प्रोसेस करने का कानून में अधिकार है कि आप परमिशन लेके ही प्रोसेस कर सकते हो, ये कानून कहता है।
All right, so you see, farmer again the police is repeating the same thing that they are not allowed to go. The matter of the fact is that as of now they do not know the identity of the individuals also, number one, and number two, they do not have any kind of permission letter also. However, this confrontation is certainly going to escalate because farmers.
So that is the current situation at the Shambhu border. The big question now is there going to be similar confrontation similar to what we saw on Friday itself when there were tear gas shells which were lobbed at the farmers? Over 10 farmers had been injured in connection with those clashes that had taken place on Friday, and that's in fact why the protests had been delayed till today. Now they were seeking to protest and march to the capital. Essentially their demand from the centre is that they bring in a law which guarantees MSP, which is minimum support price for crops. Crossing over to my colleague Tejashree.
On ground and also, let me tell you that last time also, when this particular area was cordoned off, then a farmer tried to jump from this area. So that is why about this, the rooftop of this construction is also being entirely monitored. Monitoring by drone is also being done. 360 drone monitoring is done. And now farmers are adamant on the fact that no matter what, even if they have to break the wall, they will try to break the wall and go march towards the national capital. But again, we'll have to see that how this confrontation escalates, because certainly it is very sure.
All right, so there's an update there. Reportedly, the farmers are going to be trying to break through the wall that has been constructed. We'll continue to track the developments here. Again, the big question is how much will this matter escalate at the border, at Shambu border, considering that the farmers are now saying that they will try to break through the walls. We'll continue to track the developments here. Do stay tuned. We'll be right back with more.